Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a little while. I've been away from social media for a bit, as I mentioned to you guys in my last few videos. But things are piling up, so I thought I would come on and share this quick video. So I have a few things I wanted to share with you guys today. I've got a tip on cutting paper if you don't have a tear ruler. I have an unboxing for Grabie, and I also have the latest Daphne's Diary magazine to show you. I will be adding music to the flip through because I know many of you enjoy that, so I will be sharing that soon. And I'll put timestamps on the screen so you guys can skip to whatever you wanted to go to first. I have been creating, I just have not been creating in my studio a lot of the time. The kids and I have been going to various different workshops, and one of these workshops was cyanotypes. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically sun printing, which was so fun to do. So my daughter and I actually went recently, and it was just so fun to do something different, get out of the, the crafty space and just be outside. There's been many workshops that we've been enjoying. And so I thought I would just quickly show you what we did because it was so fun. Now, I have been told that you can purchase these kits even at a dollar store. They are so fun to do. This one in particular, we went out and picked our own items to print, so you could see the different types of leaves and flowers and things like that. And it was just so fun to learn this new technique in sun printing. So we also did it on fabric, and it was just one of those things that just got me out of my head. And it was just such a nice, beautiful, sunny day. You could actually breathe the air. It wasn't completely covered in wildfire smoke. So it was nice to have those few moments. I have been busy, you guys. I just have not been filming, and I'm still going through things. But I hope to come back very soon with my regular videos that I enjoy sharing with you. Thank you all so much for your comments. Thank you for your messages. I really do appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching my videos when I haven't even been on social media for a bit. Even that in itself is changing. So I'm really trying to decide what I will be sticking with. For sure, it will be YouTube videos, but I'm not sure if I'll be using the other platforms as much. So many changes that are taking place, and so I figure I'm probably going to make those changes myself. But anyways, let me show you the tip that I had mentioned at the beginning. So if you don't have those tear rulers that, you can tear paper with, which were very popular a few years ago. I don't know if they still are. I came across this on, I think it was Instagram or Pinterest. I don't remember. And I had forgotten to share this video with you guys. So if you have packaging from these types of products like aluminum foils or, any kind of parchment paper, wax paper, that sort of thing, you can use that instead of these tear rulers, which seem to be quite pricey, and you don't find them just about anywhere. And I think it gives you the same effect, maybe even nicer, because it's free and you repurpose packaging. So I've got different ones that have the different edges, as you can see here, and they're perfect again for using and tearing up your paper and just giving it a different edge if you wanted to. So just in case you do not have a tearing ruler, I thought I would show you how easy this is to do. You may have already seen it, and if not, this might just be a reminder of things that you can use. But I do like to keep these different ones on my desk ready to tear some paper edges and just give them a different look for, the different projects that you might be working on. And so I hope that, this gave you a little bit of a repurpose project as well. And I really like to use these different types of things for my projects. Okay, so that was the quick tip. I hope that you get some use out of it. Let me show you the Grabie unboxing and then the Daphne's Diary magazine. So thank you so much to Grabie for sending me this box to share with you guys so I can show you what's in it, and then you can get an idea, if you are not familiar with their products, what the subscription boxes actually contain. This one happens to have a 3D project, which looks really fun to put together. And it has lots of different types of ephemera. The last few boxes, if you have been watching my channel, there is a playlist for Grabie. They have included an activity book, I guess like a book where you can cut out a lot of the ephemera, the stickers, the paper, that sort of thing. So this is the first box in a little while that has included the ephemera separate from the book itself. So I think it's just nice to have that variety. I do have a discount code for you guys if you wanted to check the video description. I also have links for them as well. And I will also include the playlist in case you wanted to check out my past unboxings for Grabie. They do have free shipping if you purchase a certain amount in their shop. And I believe the discount code is useful for anything in their shop with the exception of signing up for a subscription. Now, a lot of the items as well, you can purchase them on their own, but some of them do come only in the subscription box. And if you look at the pricing, the subscription boxes seem to have a bit more of a discount. So you could get the, majority of items for a little bit less of a cost. And anything, as I mentioned, with links and items, I will have in the video description. So this box has a lot of a variety of papers, as you can see here. It's nice and in a thin paper, which would be great for collaging or, on glue books or anything like that. And I really do love the vintage feel of this box. It includes many different styles of stickers. So these ones happen to be butterflies. And if you like butterflies, there's a nice variety in these ones as well. And I have been working on a few things using some of the goodies. But as I mentioned earlier, I have not really been filming or just doing anything with my social media at this time. I'm really just taking the time to enjoy crafting and just thinking about the projects that I want to make, but not necessarily, doing any tutorials at this point or anything that kind of takes up the creative time. But I do hope to be back very soon since we are now like mid-August. I can't believe that the months have gone by so quickly, and just summer itself has been all over the place. I'm sure you all have been experiencing the weather that has been happening everywhere and just all the chaos that seems to be going on and just does not seem to be stopping. So doing something a little creative, I think, is always a great way to ground yourself and to just enjoy those few minutes if you have them. This ephemera I really am loving. It's a nice thick cardstock, and it does remind me of a very popular type of ephemera that's out there. So I'm really glad they've included it in this collection because it does have, as you can see, a lot of variety, and there's just so much that you can make with just this one bag alone of all the goodies that they've included. So I'm really grateful to Grabie for sending me these boxes to share with all of you guys. So I know a lot of you always say to me that you enjoy seeing what's in the boxes, in case, you have not decided to purchase them yet. And if you have subscribed to their boxes, then you see what's coming. I know that this one was probably released a few weeks ago. I'm just a little late in posting, but I hope that you still enjoy seeing all the goodies that they've included. These varieties of papers and fabrics are really fun, and I like that they include enough to make a few projects. Now, this is the 3D set that I mentioned to you guys. They included in this one, and I'm really looking forward to showing you how I'm going to put this together. I don't know if you guys want to see the process of me doing it or you just want to see the finished product, but I love these little books or little journals. Such a cute idea, and all the different little glass bottles here as well. So anyways, I really do think it's such a fun project, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. And then the last thing that they included are the washi tape, and you see there's a nice variety of it as well. So check out the links below. I'll have the discount codes as well. And as always, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll try and get back to you. So I will now be showing you the Daphne's Diary magazine, and I will just add music to that because I know a lot of you enjoy just watching the flip through and listening to the music. I hope you enjoy.